The main function of the stem to carry water and supply water to all the parts of the plant, and it also carries the food. Okay, it holds all the parts of the plant. So in the previous class we have discussed about stems, children. So for all the plants the stems will be the same. For all the plants stems will be the same. So no, for some plants the stems are different. Yes, they need some support. For example, if you take money plant, these climbers, they need some support for the stem to stand straight. They won't stand straight, no, they need some support to stand straight. So for some plants the stems are different. The stems are different. Why these stems are different from other plants? Why some stems are different from other stems of the plant? Why these are different from other plants? Yes, today we are going to discuss different stems. Different stems. What is our topic today, children? Different stems. What is our topic today? Different stems. So, how are these stems different from other plant stems that we usually see? How are some stems are different how are some stems are different from other stems that we usually see? So you know that the stems will be very straight, they will carry food and water to all the parts of the plant, and they will hold all the parts of the plant. Okay, you know that some stems need support to stand. So is it? So up to now you know that about the stems. So now if you take different stems, that stems having different things to do. That stems will be having different things to do. So they are different from other stems. So they are different from other stems. If you take potato, children, if you take potato and cactus stems, if you take potato and cactus stems, how are these stems different from other plant stems that we usually see? How are these potato and cactus stems are different from other stems that we usually see? See, for example, if you take potato, in potato the stem is round. How the stem will be? The stem is round. We eat the stem of the potato. The potato tuber which we are eating, it belongs to the stem of the potato plant. Okay, it belongs to stem of the potato plant. The potato stem, how it will be? It will be round. And also we eat it. And also we eat. And how the stem of the cactus will be? How the stem of the cactus will be, children? In a cactus, the stem looks like a big thick leaf. The stem looks like a big thick leaf. See here, children, if you see this cactus, these are not leaves but it is a stem. So how this cactus look like? It looks like a big thick leaf and it is in green in color. It is in green in color. Yes. So how the cactus stem will be? Big, thick leaf, green in color. Yes. So big thick leaf, it is in green in color. We can also eat some cactus. We can also eat some cactus fruits. Yes, we can also eat some cactus fruits. So today, see here, why these stems are different from other stems? Why these are different from other stems? See here, children. For example, if you take potato, the stems do different things of plants. The stems do different things for plants, so they need to be different. They do different things for the plants. They will supply water. They hold all the things and they will store the food inside there. So they will do different things for the plant. That's why they are different from other plants. Yes. So for example, if you take potato, ginger and also turmeric. Potato, ginger and also food. The plant will not get enough sunlight to prepare the food. So this stored food, they will use that time. The stored food, they will use that time in the winter season and also in the dry season. In the dry times, they will use this dry times. They will use this stored food. Stored food they will use. Okay. So in this time the plant cannot make the food. Yes. So this potato, ginger and turmeric stems, they will store food inside them. In this dry time and in the winter time, they will use that food for the plant. They will give that food for the plant. So what is the function of the ginger, tomato, potato and turmeric plant stem? They will store the food. They will store the food. And also when cactus, so we will use this as our food, no children. Potato we will eat, ginger we will eat, and also turmeric also we will eat. So why we are eating them? Yes, this is a healthy food for us. Healthy. This is a healthy food for us. This potato, ginger and turmeric they will eat. This is a healthy food for us. And also if you take cactus, children, cactus they are, how they will be? They will be thick and big leaves which are having green in color. They don't have leaves, children. So see here children, about cactus means these cactus plants, they don't have leaves, they have only stems. So these thorns, these spines are there, no children, you can see the spines. Yes, these spines, these leaves, they don't have leaves, no, these leaves are reduced to spines to avoid the water loss. This cactus is very watery inside, very fleshy inside. So you can, when you touch this, it is very fleshy. Yes, so it is filled with water. The stem is filled with water. So what the function of this cactus stem means, it will prepare the food for the plant. The stem, it will prepare food for the plant. This cactus plant, this cactus stem, it will make the food. It will make the deserts. In the deserts you can find these cactus plants, and also we can eat some cactus plants. A cactus stem is thick because it makes food for the plant. It is thick because it makes food for the plant. Usually the leaves makes food. But cactus plant is not having the leaves, no. The leaves are reduced to spines. That's why. So you can see here the leaves are reduced to spines. You can see spines, no. So you cannot, these stems they will prepare food for the plant. These stems they will prepare food for the plant. So what is the function of the cactus stem? So they will make the food for the plant. And if you come to potato, what is the function of the stem of the potato? Yes, it stores food inside the stem. So have you understood different functions of the stems, children? Different stems, they are different in different plants. Stems are different from other stems. Okay. Now tell me, children, we eat sugarcane. Yes, we eat sugarcane, which is also a stem. Potato belongs to stem part, and also sugarcane, it is also belongs to a stem part which we are eating. Okay. But is it like other stems? Is it look like other stems? Why not? So potato we are eating. Potato stem we are eating. Sugarcane we are eating. It is a stem part. It looks like other stems. Yes, it looks like other stems, but it stores the food. Sugarcane stems, they will store the food. They look like other stems, but they will store food for the Okay, like that only some stems are different from other stems that we usually see. So this is about different stems, children. Different stems of different plants have different functions. Some stems they will store food inside them, some stems they will make food for the plant, and some stems they need support to stand straight. Yes, so all the stems are not having the same function. They have different things to do for the plant. That's why they are different. So this is our topic today, children. Open your textbooks. Open your textbooks. Yes, you have to read this, children. Okay. Open your volumes. Page number 20. Page number 20. Open your volumes. See here. Complete the table. You have to complete this table, children. See what they have given some pictures here. They have given some pictures, and you have to write what is the function of this stem, and also why do you think that. So what you have first one, see ginger. Yes, ginger stem. What is the function of the ginger stem? Yes, it stores food for the plant. You have to write it. And also cactus. What is the function of the cactus? You have to write stem. And also this climbers. Yes, so this stem wants some supports to stand straight. Yes, you have to write it. And this stem is having spines on them. Yes, this stem is having spines on them. And what is the function of this stem? You have to write. Okay, children? Thank you.